Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we will learn how to add payment information on WestJet online account. We will also include links for some of the banking products we recommend in the description below. To start, open the website westjet.com, then click on the Sign In button. On the fields provided, enter your email or WestJet Rewards ID and password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says WestJet Rewards. Then on the drop-down list, click on the option that says Account Settings. After that, you will be redirected to this page. Here, you will see an option for payment information. Click on Payment Information. On the first field, enter the cardholder name. Next, on the second field, enter the card number of the credit card you wish to add. Then on the third field, enter the expiry date. After entering all the necessary information, click on Save. That's how you add payment information on your WestJet online account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.